Hi, my name is Cubastic and I make portraits with the Rubik's cubes. Here I have 432 Rubik's cubes that will make a face of a person who inspires every YouTuber out there. His name is Felix, but he is best known as PewDiePie, the most famous person on this website who gathered a community of more than 90 million people. Just imagine this number, 90 million. It's not a coincidence that I'm doing him exactly. I decided to make this video in his support on a war with T-Series. So leave a nice comment and a like, and I'm gonna start. It's really important to me, just like to any other YouTuber, that the most subscribed spot here on the platform would be held by one of us, by a YouTuber with personality, great content, and by someone who we can call an influencer and a creator. While T-Series is just a corporate channel, producing tons of music videos a day with a whole crew behind it. So besides asking you to subscribe to my channel, I'm asking you to subscribe to PewDiePie's channel as well. Let's help him out with this YouTube war. He represents all of the creators here. Ask your friends, parents, relatives, your grandma, everyone who has the internet connection should create a channel and subscribe to PewDiePie. Thank you very much, and we continue. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate your support. Please write something positive in the comments. It makes YouTube share this video, and you can do that as well. Just send it to all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss my new video. Thanks for watching. I'm Cubastic. Take care.